So if you have an Android TV and you have sideloaded some of the APKs that are not available onto your Android TV, but onto the current launcher of your Android TV, see here I have sideloaded the CPU Z APK and here it is not available. So how to find that APK? So for that, so just go to the Play Store. By the way, the link of the video that I have made, which is the detailed explanation in how to sideload APK onto your Android TV, is being given in the description box below or given in the I button, so check it out. So just go to the Play Store. After you just go to the Play Store, just go to the search option. Here onto the search option, type sideload launcher. So here I am typing sideload launcher. So here it is. So I have installed it. So if I found the link of this app, then I will be providing this app link onto the description box below. So yeah, so I have installed this APK and here it is. So here is the CPU Z APK. As I have told you that I have sideloaded the APK, so here is the CPU Z APK, and if you sideload all apps like Instagram or all that onto your Android TV, then you have to use this app. So by the way, the CPU Z is not compatible with the Android TV, but for the testing purpose I have sideloaded it. So yeah, so this way you can find the APKs that you sideload which is been not showing on the current launcher. So just go to the sideload launcher from the here, and here are all your sideloaded APKs. So yeah.